Hey friends, does your system running slowly because of high RAM usage? If yes, then please watch this video. Okay, I'll show you steps, and the first step is you need to select the Windows here and then make a right click and then scroll up to locate Task Manager. Tap that. Once done, you will be redirected here. So let's expand this first by clicking the square icon. Okay, you can see a lot of options here. And the first one is we need to click processes. Okay, here it has this apps. So it contains apps. And what you're going to do is you're going to identify those apps that you don't need anymore in your laptop. Okay, for example, I won't be needing this task manager anymore. So make a right click and then disable or just click this end task. Okay, you will do the same here below at the background processes. You need to identify those processes that you don't need anymore also. So for example, I'll be disabling this device association framework. Just do the same right click and then end task. Okay? So the second step is you need to check your performance, the performance of your laptop. Its CPU, its memory, disk, Wi-Fi, or GPU. Okay? Here you just have to check. Okay? Third and the critical and the most crucial step is you need to click the startup apps. And then here, it will shows applications present in your laptop. So as you can see, the status is here. It has disabled and enabled. And what you are going to do is you are going to identify those applications that you don't need it or that you no longer needed in your laptop. So for example, I will be disabling this Microsoft Teams. As of now, it is already disabled. But if in your case you want to disable Microsoft Teams, just make a right click and then disabled. In my case, it asks enable because it is already disabled. Okay? So here you just have to identify those applications that you no longer needed. Okay? So hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button to be notified to our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day everyone.